Are you struggling to bring your creative visions to life in the industrial building construction space? Introducing a streamlined solution that transforms your concepts into reality with ease. Our comprehensive industrial design and turnkey construction services are designed to eliminate the headaches typically associated with project execution. We specialize in creating bespoke solutions tailored to your unique needs, ensuring everything is handled efficiently and effectively. From initial discussion to the final stage, we manage every aspect of the project, that your ideas are accurately translated into high-quality designs and executed within your timeline and budget. Imagine having a dedicated team of experts who handle everything, from concept development, design, and engineering to procurement and construction. With us, you'll experience a seamless workflow, giving you more time to focus on what truly matters, your business and your vision. Contact us today to get free consultation. To know more details, visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.